If you've ever been working in a PowerPoint presentation and you'd like to see two slides in the same presentation side by side, that's very easy to do. Now, one thing that you have to do is make sure that your window is not in the full screen mode. So choose Exit Full Screen. Otherwise, this won't work. But then all you have to do is go up to the menu item Window and choose New Window. And this makes an exact copy of the same file. Then go back to Window and choose Arrange All. And now you see both windows side by side. Then you can select whichever slide you'd like to edit in each of the windows. And if you make a change to a slide in one window, it will automatically appear in the other window. So on slide 3, I'll add the word Ideas. And now if I click on slide 3 in the other window, there's the change. And by the way, if you use multiple monitors, just add a new window and then move that third window to the other monitor.